This 1946 Ford F-150 is a vintage truck in fair condition, priced at $1,800. Located in Gaffney, South Carolina, it features a 400 small block engine with modifications, a 350 automatic transmission, and a 9-inch Ford rear end. The truck has a clean, clear title and boasts a short bed, tilt wheel, cold AC, diamond plate bed, and a fuel tank in the center. Its yellow paint and stars and stripes halo headlights give it a unique appearance. The interior has been updated with new seats and a radio. The truck has a low odometer reading of 23,000 miles and runs great with no rust. This vehicle is perfect for anyone looking for a project to restore or a classic vintage driver. The seller is open to trades and willing to negotiate. For more details, check out the link in the description for additional information and photos. This 1949 Chevrolet 3600 pickup is a classic vintage vehicle currently listed at $10,000 and located in Hastings, Minnesota. It features a reliable 8-cylinder gas engine paired with an automatic transmission, with approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer. The truck is in good condition with a striking red paint job and a clean title, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or as a vintage driver. Its drive type is rear-wheel drive, and it offers a nostalgic look perfect for enthusiasts seeking a piece of automotive history. The seller notes that it is a street rod hot rod built on an S10 frame, featuring a rebuilt small block Chevrolet motor and turbo 350 transmission, both of which run and drive well. The vehicle needs gauges wired up and has tires and rims with about 500 miles. It's an attractive project vehicle with potential to restore to showroom quality or keep as a vintage hot rod, depending on the buyer's preference. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a classic Chevrolet pickup. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. The 1948 Chrysler Royal is a classic vintage sedan in good condition, featuring a flat 6-cylinder gasoline engine with approximately 1,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and sports a stylish blue paint color, maintaining all original features which make it an excellent candidate for restoration or as a vintage driver. The vehicle has a clean title, adding to its appeal for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a solid project car. The seller indicates it runs, but requires some work to bring it to top shape, making it a great opportunity for someone interested in vintage cars. Its unique design, including rear suicide doors, adds to its collectible value. This car is located in Cottonwood, California, and offers a charming piece of automotive history for enthusiasts seeking a true classic. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. For sale is a classic 1940 Oldsmobile 2-door coupe, also known as a Rat Rod, priced at $9,200, located in Marion, North Carolina. This vintage beauty features a powerful 350 motor paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring a delightful driving experience. With an odometer reading of 12,345 miles, this vehicle remains in good condition and boasts a clean title status, making it a great option for collectors or enthusiasts. The custom paint adds a unique touch, while the chopped top enhances its classic appeal. This coupe is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a vintage car or seeking a rewarding project to restore. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1937 Plymouth Business Coupe is a classic gem that combines vintage charm with solid performance. Priced at $10,000, this vehicle is located in Berthoud, Colorado. It features a robust 4-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, making it a delightful drive for enthusiasts. With only 97,000 original miles, this coupe is in excellent condition and boasts a clean title. The striking black paint adds to its appeal, making it a perfect candidate for restoration or as a vintage driver. This classic car is sure to turn heads and is a great investment for collectors. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1926 Buick Model 44 Roadster is a vintage parts car with numerous extra parts available for restoration or for use in a project. Priced at $1,000, it's a solid candidate for those looking to restore a classic roadster from the early 20th century. The vehicle features a manual transmission, runs on gasoline, and has a parts-only title status, meaning it's not roadworthy in its current state. The car's mileage and exact condition are not listed, but it's ideal for enthusiasts and collectors who are passionate about bringing old cars back to life. Located in St. Helens, Oregon, it offers a chance to own a piece of automotive history. The car may require significant work to be road-ready, but it offers great potential for those seeking to preserve a Buick Roadster from the Roaring '20s. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1938 Oldsmobile four-door sedan is a charming classic car offered at a price of $6,900. Located in Hollis, New Hampshire, this vintage vehicle features a robust six-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering an engaging driving experience. With an odometer reading of just 36,593 miles, it's in good condition, making it a great candidate for restoration or as a fun vintage driver. Although it runs well, it does require a paint job due to some rust. The vehicle has a clean title and is currently registered, allowing for short drives to appreciate its classic appeal. Perfect for enthusiasts looking to invest in a piece of automotive history, this Oldsmobile combines timeless design with practicality. For more information and photos, check the link in the description. This 1948 Dodge 4x4 is a classic gem with a 400 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and only 55,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, and a tilt wheel for comfortable driving. The green paint adds to its vintage appeal, while the clean New Mexico title ensures a straightforward ownership process. The truck runs and drives great, making it perfect as a highway cruiser or for restoration. The price is $7,900, cash only. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This classic 1948 Ford F1 pickup is offered at $7,500 and is a vintage truck with a charming history. Located in Emeryville, California, this vehicle features a gas engine paired with a manual transmission and has approximately 50,000 miles on the odometer. It holds a clean title and is in need of some TLC, as it hasn't been driven for a long time and isn't currently running. The truck has a nostalgic black plate and originally lived in Orinda, California, making it a great candidate for restoration or as a vintage driver. Its classic look and provenance make it an appealing project or collectible for enthusiasts who appreciate early post-war trucks. The seller mentions that the truck was stored long-term and requiring careful refurbishment to get back on the road. Whether you are a serious collector or a hobbyist looking for a piece of American automotive history, this F1 could be a rewarding project. For more information and pictures, be sure to check the link in the description. This 1947 Crosley two-door coupe is in excellent condition, rare classic vehicle with only 45,595 miles. Featuring a small four-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it is a survivor with all original parts. The car is rust-free and has brand new tires and upholstery. The project is 75% complete, with some minor engine reassembly and part replacements needed, including a new gas tank and wiring harness restoration. It's an ideal project for classic car enthusiasts and collectors looking for a vintage car with great potential for restoration. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1930 Ford Model A Coupe is a stylish and historically significant classic American car, valued at $8,500. It features a 201 CID inline L-head 4-cylinder engine, a manual 3-speed transmission, and rear-wheel drive. With approximately 18,000 miles showing, it's in good condition and has been stored in an air-conditioned garage for the past 28 years, only driven a few times. The car has a black exterior, matching spare with cover, wire wheels, drum brakes, and a rumble seat, making it a prime candidate for restoration or as a vintage driver. Recently, it received a new battery, plugs, and ignition coil, runs well, though it needs some upholstery work. It boasts a clean Alabama antique title, preservation class appraisal, and a valuation of around $12,150, making it an attractive offer for enthusiasts. Whether you're a collector or a hobbyist, this car offers a glimpse into classic automotive design and engineering, perfect for restoration or enjoyment as a vintage cruiser. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1940 Ford Sedan is a classic piece of automotive history, available for $5,500 in Fort Worth, Texas. With a clean title and a good overall condition, this vehicle is perfect for restoration enthusiasts or those looking for a vintage driver. It features a rear-wheel drive layout and has an odometer reading of 12,345 miles. The car is painted in a classic gray color and comes without a motor or transmission, making it an ideal project for someone looking to customize. The seller notes that all chrome side trim is intact and parts have been ordered from eBay. While it lacks bumpers and brackets, the body is free of dents and no brake booster is present. This Ford sedan is a great opportunity for anyone interested in classic cars. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1926 Ford Model T Lancaster project is an intriguing opportunity priced at $4,000. Located in Port Charlotte, Florida. With a fair condition rating and an impressive odometer reading of 10 million, this vehicle features an 8-cylinder engine coupled with an automatic transmission, and it boasts a rear-wheel drive setup. The project is missing its title, but it offers a unique blend of classic design and modern enhancements, including a 350/350 engine transmission combo, a 72 Grand Prix rear axle, and numerous new parts ideal for restoration enthusiasts. Its standout features include a chopped 32 Ford aluminum radiator, power steering, and a well-equipped interior with dolphin gauges and a locker shifter, making it an appealing choice for vintage drivers seeking a restoration project. For more pictures and details, check the link in the description. This 1929 Ford Hot Rod Bucket is a fascinating piece of automotive history, available for the attractive price of $6,000. Located in Forest Lake, Minnesota, this vintage vehicle boasts a gas engine with an odometer reading of 100,000 miles. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and has a clean title, ensuring you can confidently take ownership. While it runs, drives, and stops well, it does have a minor issue with leaking transmission fluid. This classic car is perfect for those looking to restore or enjoy a vintage driving experience. Additionally, the owner is open to trading for a pinball machine or motorcycle, making it a unique offer for enthusiasts. Don't miss your chance to own a classic Ford that stands out on the road. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1934 Buick 40 Series features iconic suicide doors and is priced at $3,750. The car is in good condition, with an 8-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and a gray exterior. It has a clean title, automatic transmission, and 1,234 miles on the odometer. The vehicle has been partially modified for a hot rod build, including a coil spring front suspension with rack and pinion, a 350 small block engine, and an overdrive transmission. The sunroof is fully retractable, and the X chassis is in excellent shape. This Buick is a unique restoration project or vintage driver with great potential. For more information and photos, check the link in the description. For sale is a 1937 Ford two-door sedan, listed at an appealing price of $4,800. Located in Brentwood, California, this classic car is an intriguing project for any vintage car enthusiast or collector. It features a clean title, signifying clear ownership. The odometer reads just 1,000 miles, but the car currently lacks both a motor and transmission, making it a blank canvas for restoration. While the body is reported to be very solid, there are some rust spots in the lower fenders that are manageable. This Ford sedan needs to go as the seller is losing storage space. It's an excellent opportunity for someone looking to restore a timeless classic to its former glory or seeking a project to enjoy. Perfect for those passionate about vintage vehicles. Don't miss your chance to acquire this historical piece. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1939 Federal flatbed truck is in good condition for its age and is a true classic vehicle. Priced at $7,000 or best offer, it features a rare vintage look with a solid build, and it's equipped with a manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, RWD, and a gas engine. The odometer reads 100,000 miles, and the title status is clean, making it a fantastic option for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a vintage truck to restore or drive as is. It runs well and is a rare find that you must see to appreciate. With its great condition and potential for restoration or use as a vintage driver, this is an opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1941 Ford two-door sedan is a unique project car priced at $7,900, located in Pleasanton, California. The vehicle is in fair condition and features a custom paint job. It currently has no engine or transmission, making it an ideal candidate for restoration or customization. The car sits on a 1976 Chevrolet Monte Carlo chassis, providing a solid foundation for a vintage driver or lowrider. With an odometer reading of just 1 mile, this classic offers a clean title status, making it a great investment for enthusiasts looking to put in the time and effort to bring it back to life. Hundreds of hours have already been invested in this project, showcasing its potential for a stunning transformation. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1948 Chevrolet Loadmaster is a classic project car that offers a unique opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Priced at just $1,200, it features a clean title and is located in Orangevale, California. The vehicle is powered by a gas engine and has an odometer reading of 99,999 miles. It comes with a manual transmission, making it a true vintage driving experience. Although it does not currently run, the seller has invested around $4,000 in brand new parts, which are included in the sale. This Loadmaster is perfect for someone looking to restore a classic vehicle or for a vintage driver. The seller is willing to tow the car within 75 miles of Sacramento for an additional $200. Don't miss out on this great deal. Check the link in the description for more information and photos.